Hi you guys, I'm back. J-Hope Airplane is out and I don't know what to think or what to expect from it, so yeah. Okay, where is that? Okay, completely different sound. Oh, this seems a hell loud. Oh, colors. Burn. Okay, back in that moment, what happened? You have Chucky hair? Literally, it looks like red Chucky hair. Oh, he's like Chucky hair, really? Airplane. Okay, get that North Face. They burned you down? I don't think so. What blue sky? Oh, man. Like a little kid. I'm like laughing at this because like look at how serious he's taking it, like so high. Okay, that beautiful world. I want to hear the inspiration for this song. Why is he so cute with a bucket hat? It makes him look mysterious. No one can talk shit about you. About what? They don't laugh. Just drink champagne in my airplane now. So beautiful. Your feelings? Are you gonna share your feelings then? Console me for what? I'm thinking of something, but I don't know what it's reminding me of. Okay, just drop it, like the memory. Okay, be happy. I really love his jacket though. The more I look at it, the more I'm like, I wish that was my jacket. I wish you could be in that airplane and I could just be like, oh. That was it. Okay, you guys, so between Daydream and Airplane, I think I prefer Daydream's music video and song overall, but this definitely is like a song that I would just listen to and just be like, this is so effing good. I quite enjoyed it. I feel like there's such a bad glare, isn't there? There's like the worst glare. Okay. Super good song. It's reminding me of something. I just don't know what it is. I feel like I'm like literally like, what is this? But it definitely seems familiar. But Daydream is just so amazing to watch. Again, I'm still obsessed with the whole he's waking me up in the morning. I literally still have that. That is my freaking screensaver. So I do literally like have that waking me up. So to get to the point, super good song. I hope that it gets like so many views. Right now it's actually at 2,007,700,000. So we need to get it up. Some people are saying let's get it up to 5. I don't get why it's still not like higher. I do think that this had a less impactful, less creative music video. I just felt like the scenes were just not as funky, not as funny, not as memorable but the song is really good and I really like it. Tell me down below, what is your favorite, if Daydream or Airplane is better for you. Okay, then what else to comment on? The lyrics, I feel like they get to the point. It's more like him talking about like where he is at now. He used to be made fun of, he used to not be thought of as much, but now he's like riding in that airplane, drinking his champagne, not worried about you, not worried about that. So I definitely feel like this means something to him, but in total, just overall really good. I'm just excited for this. I want to see all of it live, and I really, literally, like, want to go and see it live at a concert. So, we will see. We will see what happens. Okay, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave some amazing BTS and J-Hope references and comments and happiness. And yeah, see you guys for the next one. Bye.